So on the 22nd of March I was at South Gyle, so I went to the Rail Operations Group movement. However, my first catch today was 2G77, the 1556 ScotRail service to Glenrussell with Thornton from Edinburgh with 174.10 and 174.02. So that's just awkwardness.
Oh, you're just taping them. Yeah, I said taping in 2021.
Then it says 1B35, the early 1613 turn up at 1608 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Aberdeen with 43003 and 43169. Then it says 1L59, the 1612 ScotRail service to Arbroath from Edinburgh with 170.450.
Monday, Mindy, Scotland. It would fucking ought to turn the camera on, wouldn't it?
Then this is 1B31, the 1618 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Inverness with 43026 and 43144. Then this is 2K31, the 1619 ScotRail service to Glenrussell with Thornton from Edinburgh with 158725 and 158728. Then finally here she come on the 5SO3, the early 1628 turned up at 1623 Rail Operations Group service to Dundee CE from Derby RTC Network Rail with 57312.
You literally just stopped the recording.